Now today we have started up our own business, a car wash. We're going to wash people's cars
for money.
That's
That's right. They just drive the cars up here. We get out our sponges, give it a good wash and a
Water.
polish, and then they drive on their merry way.
Happy one.
Oh, look, Pat, here comes our first customer now. Morning.
Morning.
Would you like the full service, sir?
Yes, please.
That means we polish and wash all your hubcaps.
And we shine up your bumper.
At the car wash, talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash, car wash, yeah.
Proper job. Oh, hard work, though.
Oh, exhausting it was. Still worth it to see it looking so shiny.
Oh, we might even get a bonus.
Bonus?
Bonus.
Oh,
I don't believe it.
pesky bird!
Oh, I suppose it's just doing its natural business.
Yes, I suppose so. Cheeky bird!
We'll have to wash the car again, of course.
At the car wash, talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash, car wash, yeah.
There.
Proper job
Again. Just as long as that bird doesn't do another... Oh, no!
Not again! Pesky bird!
Oh, I think there's a problem with this business of ours, Pat.
Yes, it's too much like
Hard work. Let's go and have a cup of tea.
Yeah, be nice.